How to create a teacher account on ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see the login button along with the options like I am a parent, I am a teacher, I am a student, and I am a school leader. Next, select the I am a teacher option. Then enter your email address and tap the continue button. After that, enter your title, first name, last name, password and role. Once completed, tap on create free account. Then join your school by searching in the search field or choosing from the suggested list. You can also skip this step by tapping on the I don't teach in a school button at the bottom. Next, enter your class name and select the grade. Then tap the grade class button. After that, read and agree to the terms and conditions. Go to the Manage Students section to search for and add students to your class. You can invite students individually or in bulk using a class code, making it faster and easier to set up your classroom. This will allow you to start managing your class and tracking student progress immediately. Make sure to explore all the app's features including classroom management, messaging, and student behavior tracking to get the most out of your teacher account. Now you know how to create a teacher account on ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.